Welcome to everyone. Today I'll explain memory units of a computer. Before I explain memory units of a computer, let me ask you a question. Which language does computer understands? Computer understands only one language, that is machine language or binary language. It means zeros or ones. The smallest memory unit of a computer is bit. A bit can store only one value, either 0 or 1. Here 0 means off state, 1 means on state. The increasing order of a computer memory I'll explain. First one, 1 bit. 1 bit means 0 or 1. It means a single digit of a storage. We can store one value, either 0 or 1. And next, nibble. 1 nibble means 4 bits. 4 bits means we can store 4 zeros or 4 ones or combination of zeros and ones. And next highest memory is 1 byte. 1 byte means 8 bits. And next 1 KB. KB means kilobytes. 1 KB equal to 1024 bytes. And next 1 megabytes MB. 1024 KB. And next highest memory is 1 GB. 1 GB means gigabyte. 1 GB equal to 1024 MB. Nowadays all smartphones, storage devices come up with GBs like 4 GB, 8 GB, 64 GB, etc. The next highest memory, terabytes. 1 TB equal to 1024 GB. And you can see hard disk storage in laptop, desktop, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, etc. The next highest memory is petabyte. 1 petabyte equal to 1024 terabytes. And next 1 EB. EB means exabyte. 1 exabyte equal to 1024 petabyte. And next 1 ZB. ZB means zettabyte. 1 zettabyte equal to 1024 exabyte. And next 1 YB. Yottabyte. 1 YB equal to 1024 zettabyte. And next 1 BB. Brontobyte. 1 brontobyte equal to 1024 yottabyte. And next 1 GB. It means here GB means here geobyte. 1 GB equal to 1024 brontobyte. You can see here exabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte, brontobyte, geobyte. These memories will be used in supercomputers. You may had in Robo movie a humanoid robot Chitti memory 1 zettabyte. So especially these memory like GB, brontobyte, yottabyte, zettabyte, exabyte will be used in supercomputers. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.